Welcome to this edition of CEO Insider TV. I'm Mark Dresner, and my guest today is Mr. Gregory Walker, an executive with Get Real USA Incorporated, a public company trading on the over-the-counter market with the ticker symbol GTRL. Welcome to our show, Mr. Walker.
Thanks, Mark. Thanks so much for having me.
Well, please start us off with a quick overview of Get Real USA.
Well, Get Real USA is a company that focuses on high-quality films, and we focus on low-budget films as well, but quality is very, very important to us. We're in the film industry, producing films, music, as well as getting into gaming soon.
Well, tell us a little bit about your products, what you do, and how you do it.
Well, we're a film production company, so we produce films. Again, what's important to us is our investors. So we've, from the very beginning, looking at budgets, hiring the right directors, and then understanding how our investors are going to get paid back, we focus on tying things such as tax credits and foreign sales to our budgets so we know that we're going to get our return before we even start shooting us the picture.
Well, who's your target market?
Our target markets are young producers, directors throughout the country that come to us and have a great idea, a great vision, but they need a company like ourselves to help them take their vision into a reality, and our expertise can do that.
And how big do you think the overall market is for your product?
Oh, the overall market, there's $31 billion last year in the industry, so it is a huge market. Low-budget films is a very, very large industry, and we're just looking for a small piece of that. As long as we stick to our plan, which is high-quality, low-budget films, and we know how our investors are going to get their money back, I think we'll be very successful.
What's your overall business strategy in terms of marketing and pricing?
Well, our overall, again, as I touched on briefly, we're a film production company, but what makes us unique, I think it's important. A lot of times people say that investing in films is risky. We take the risk completely out of that. We know before we start shooting that between tax credits is something that you earn if you shoot, say, in Louisiana. We're doing some films in Louisiana. We get a tax incentive for doing that, and we can monetize that. And between foreign sales, selling to other countries, between those two, we know that we're going to pay for the entire film. So we'll keep all domestic, the U.S., as all of our upside. So we automatically, before we start, we know we're going to be profitable on every film we do.
Well, what are you doing to ensure your company will continue to grow and continue to generate the profits that you just mentioned?
Well, I think it's important to stick to the strategic partnerships we have. In Louisiana, for instance, I just mentioned that we have a strategic partnership with a company called Louisiana Media Production, upload film tax credits, as well as unlimited production services. These are companies that do lots of films, but they've asked us to come join them to help them produce, co-produce, if you will. We'll bring a little money to the picture, but we'll help them with our expertise. So we'll continue those type of strategic partnerships, as well as a company called Radioactive Giant that we've partnered with out in LA, an independent distributor. These type of partnerships, a strategic partnership, will continue to let us grow and stay focused on our goals.
What about management? Could you tell us a little bit about your team?
Well, sure. The company started by Aaron Johnson. Aaron's a visionary, very bright guy, lots of energy, a super guy to work for. And he takes his energy and his vision, and he pushes it down to us, and we execute on his dream, and it's a lot of fun.
Well, what are some of the most important decisions you and the team make for your organization?
Oh, well, what's important is deciding which products or which films to get involved in. We see probably 10 projects a week, and it's deciding which project to get involved in. It's done from the very beginning, understanding the director, the cast that we're going to have involved, how we're going to get our money, how our investors are going to be protected. And those are the type of decisions we have to make every day, which projects to choose and which ones to go. And once we do choose it, sticking to the plan, not deviating from the plan, sticking to the budget, and those are things we're very good at.
Well, what are some of the biggest challenges you face?
Well, the everlasting change of this industry. Things continue to change, and just staying ahead of the curve. Those are our biggest challenges.
How about any new initiatives or business ventures? Anything planned on the horizon?
No, I think we're going to stick to the things we do best, which is producing films, high-quality, low-budget films. Get involved in the music industry as we do. Mr. Johnson's background is music. As I said, gaming is something we're going to look into this year. So we're going to stick to the things we know.
And do you have any acquisition plans or foresee even being acquired?
At this time, no. Of course, every quarter we sit down and write our new goals and plans, and we'll continue to do that. But at this time, we're going to just keep doing what we do best, and hopefully for the investor, have a great return that we plan.
Any last comments you'd like to share with our viewers?
I'd just say look out for Get Real. We're an exciting young company that's hungry. We always put our investors first, and, as long as we stick to the quality products and stick to our low budget and stick to our plan and execute on it, we'll be an exciting company to watch.
Well, I'd like to thank Mr. Gregory Walker of Get Real USA Incorporated for being our guest today on CEO Insider TV. If you'd like more information about Get Real USA, you can visit the company's website at www.getrealusainc.com. And you can get more CEO interviews for free at CEOinsiderTV.com. I'm Mark Dresner, and thanks for watching this episode of CEO Insider TV.